What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to clone a hard drive. To do that you'll need a hard drive. This is SSD that I'm going to be using, and then you'll need a SATA to USB cable, and I'll put link in the description below for it. Then we're going to have to open internet browser and we'll have to go to partitionwizard.com, and I'll put link in the description below. Then we need to download this tool. This is a free edition tool, and I'm going to click download. I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to click run. Right here I'm just going to go through the setup real quick. I'm going to leave everything as default, and I'll click next and next one more time. And then I'm going to uncheck this mark because I don't want free Avast. And then I'm going to click next. Once the installation is complete, I'm going to launch Mini-Tool Wizard right now. I'm going to click finish. Then what we need to do, we need to plug in our hard drive into our computer. Right here we need to click on this clone. And then right here at this window, we're going to click next. Then we're going to choose the hard drive that we're going to actually clone. So this is the one that I'm going to clone, and I'm going to clone to the lower capacity, and this tool will let me do it. And then I'm going to click next, and I'm going to select the drive. This is the one that SSD, the one that I'm going to be using. I'm going to make sure it's selected and then click next. And this is just letting you know that the old data is going to be destroyed out of your disk, and then I click yes. And right here I'm going to leave everything as default, fit the partition to entire disk, and then I'm going to click next, and I'm going to click finish. Once this is done, what we need to do, we need to click on apply. And this window just recommends us to close all the other applications. So right now I'm going to have to switch to my camera, and right here I'm going to click yes. And now it starts cloning the hard drive. And now we're getting this message. It's stating that it cannot complete the process while the computer is running. So what we need to do, we need to restart our computer, and then it's going to complete the process. So I'm going to click on restart now. And now on a startup, it's loading this partition tool, and now we just have to wait until it's going to finish cloning the hard drive. Once the process is complete, it's going to boot back into the Windows, and now you can click on a File Explorer to verify your clone. Click on this PC, and now you can see a copy of your hard drive. So for example, this is my local disk C, the one that I was trying to clone. This is all the files that I have on it. And this is my portable hard drive, the SSD, the one that I plug it in, the one that I was making a copy to. Double click on it, exactly the same thing. So now I'm ready to swap them out and start using my new clone SSD hard drive. And I'll put all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.